From the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, this is an ITTV special report.
Want more control of your home automation, or maybe start with a little home automation with some cool products that make it easy? Our next guest can help you do just that, controlling your home from the palm of your hand even. She is the brand director for Schlage, Ann Matheis. And welcome back into Tomorrow. How are you?
Thank you. Doing great.
And it's been a while since we've had you on the show, and we got to fix that. Of course, we're doing that right now. But you've also come out with some more new products and some cool stuff that you're showing here at CES. Let's get into, first of all, what happened to Schlage Link that we have been so enamored with for a while now. It's now called something else.
Yes, so we have rebranded Schlage Link to Nexia Home Intelligence, and we just broadened the brand because it controls more than just security. It really controls everything in your home, whether it's lights, locks, thermostats, cameras. So it enables you to control your home from wherever you are, from your cell phone or computer.
Gotcha. It's a whole lot more than just a cool high-tech lock for your home. Now you're doing some more things, and it truly is a good way to improve your home automation, or start if you have none so far.
Yes, absolutely. And we are featuring some new things that we've developed. One is video storage. So we always had the Schlage camera. Now you can actually store video and record video, so you can see who's coming and going.
Yeah.
Once they put in their 4-digit code into the door lock, then you can kind of record to say, did your kids bring all their friends in after school or not?
Good point. And I imagine then it's motion, is it motion detected as well to start recording? Or once you, as you mentioned, put in the code, then the camera kicks in as well?
Right. It's connected to the door lock.
Gotcha. So there's a lot of things then we can do with Nexia Home, a whole lot more than just the Schlage lock that was part of Schlage Link before. Tell me about some of the other features.
So we've also launched the Train Comfort Link 2, which is a 7-inch color panel, touch panel thermostat, which enables you to look at the weather and also control your energy and change your heating and cooling system. How
cool is that? I like the whole concept of being able to check the weather while you're adjusting your thermostat. How appropriate is that? I don't know if anybody else doing that.
Yeah, it's a great feature. You can also actually turn the wall unit into a picture frame, a digital picture frame. So there's a lot of cool features that we've put into this.
So while you're not adjusting your AC or your heating, then it's showing you pictures of the family, whatever it is that you're putting there, no doubt. And is this something that is stored in the unit, the pictures, or are they stored in a cloud and it serves up that way? How does that work?
Yeah, so you would just put in USB card into the unit.
Oh, sweet. All righty. And you mentioned dimmers as well. So now you're even helping us to control lighting around the house?
Yes. So we have light modules and dimmers that allow you to turn on lights maybe when you're coming home late from work and you want to make sure that you walk into a lit home. Or if you're on vacation and want to make it seem like you're home for a couple hours, you can control that all from your cell phone.
And great advice. I always give this tip, not only as a former police officer, but being someone involved in talk radio for a lot of years. Don't just leave a radio on in the background. Leave a talk station on in the background. Because as a former cop, I tell you, burglars don't want to be dealing with people inside a house. And if they hear talking, other than music playing, they're going to assume maybe it's people in there talking. I'm going to hit the next house. Just a little thought there.
That's a good tip.
Something to keep in mind. But what's cool about that is, again, you're controlling these lights with the code as you're entering.
Yes, you can control the devices together and create scenes and schedules so that they all work together, or you can just work with them separately.
And are these products that typically being called DIYers now, the do-it-yourselfers, can put all of these products in, or do we need electricians to do this?
Yes, absolutely. We created this as a do-it-yourself project. So the door lock installs in standard door prep, and the lights you just plug into the wall. And it's pretty easy to install.
Now, if you would, Ann, tell us a little bit about what we're looking at. Those of you watching the video know what you're seeing here. When you get a chance, intotomorrow.com, look for the Nexia Home and the Schlage interview with Ann, and you'll see what we're talking about. I'm seeing things here on a nice little. Whoops! I'm turning on. I've just unlocked your house, I think. I'm sorry, but we've got on our little tablet here all sorts of features, dimmers and security pod switches and thermostat, comfort links, all that goodie.
Yes, so this is our user interface where you can control all of your all of your devices, whether it's a cell phone or a smartphone or a tablet or a computer. So we've created it so it's very intuitive and very easy to navigate through. So you basically can control all of the devices that you've installed in your home at the touch of a button.
I like that. So, of course, if it's showing, in this case, just on a small tablet, it'll work on a smartphone, it'll work on larger tablets. The interface is very easy to deal with. How affordable is the Nexia Home system now?
It's actually very affordable. You can find it at nexiahome.com, and you can basically build your system to be as small or as big as you want it. You just add devices as you see fit. So if you want to start with one camera and then see a need for another camera, as well as the door locks and the lights, you can actually install up to over 200 items with this system.
Very good. And of course, you're not replacing lights, you're simply tying into your system.
Right.
And if they're dimmable, if they're fluorescent, that's a whole other story, but you can turn them on and off. You can still do some interesting things. Do check it out at nexiahome.com. That's NEXIA home.com. We'll get you there too. You'll see what Ann and her team are up to at Schlage with all the cool new products for Nexia Home Intelligence. And we all want an intelligent home after all. Come on. Check it all out at intotomorrow.com as well. Ann, thanks for joining us again.
Okay, thanks so much.
All righty. We're back with more from Las Vegas. I'm Dave Graveline. This is Into Tomorrow on the Advanced Media Network.